Good everybody, my name is Tyna Keelan, and today I'm going to do a guitar lesson and show you guys how to play Kaliga. Okay, so the last part of the song to learn is the bridge, and it's probably the trickiest, but it's pretty cool. So yeah, it starts with A minor 7 on the 12th fret, and we don't play like the whole chord, we just go from the 4th string, or 3rd string, you know, don't play these two up here, because it's a nice gospel-y flavour, so it's like, and what we do is we slide the notes up from here, from the 11th fret, so it's like, okay, and that gives it that flavour. So the riff itself, with the 3 chords, sounds like, okay, that's the first half of the bridge riff, and so it's A minor 7, then goes down 2 frets to D minor, which is just 12th fret on the 3rd string, and then bar the last 3, and then down to a C triad, and all of those are slid like, and I do kind of like a right hand technique where it's like, so I kind of play the bass note with my thumb, but that's not a necessity, but if you suss it out, all good. Okay, nice and slow. Okay, and the second part of the bridge, okay, so imagine it's, so the first note I play is with my thumb. See here, I play the G on the D string, or this note here on the 3rd string on the 5th fret. I go there, and then hammer on the D minor chord. Okay, and once I hammer it on, I'd go, okay, I hope you got that. Just one more time, nice and slow. Okay, now, then I hammer on, or I play on the 7th fret on the A string, the E, so it's like, okay, so we're starting with this note, the hammer on, slide up, down, and then, okay, like that. So just from the start, so I can remember myself. Okay, and it finishes just with that, which is, we'll just go for that D minor part again. So real slowly. So basically I'm sliding from the E, down to the D, down to the C, and then, okay, so that's like a C major pentatonic. So just again, then it repeats that first part. Okay, so it's gone. Going up here to F triad, which is the same as the C. Just doing it up here on the 15th fret. So 15, 14, 13, and then 13 as well. And I want you to go, so the first part, and then you go F, back to the A minor, then to the D minor, back to the A minor, back to the C. Okay, so it's, and that's pretty much it. I mean, a lot of the song is just experimenting between each riff, like the main riffs being that one. and then but sometimes I do completely different stuff. When we play the song live, I never play it the same. I often put in weird riffs, like it'll be like that sort of thing, right? So it's just whatever you're feeling like. As long as you know that, and then the main part of the bridge, which is that's pretty much it. I hope that's cleared it up for you guys. If not, I don't know, just kind of slow it down and let me know, and I'll do it again, try to do it a bit more simple. But yeah, that's Kalega.